can I say one thing about this Steph London, Jada Kingdom clash, right? There is no way in hell my man or my ex-man can go on international platforms and say out loud, the best fronts come from Kingston, right? Knowing I don't come from Kingston. Says another name's girl in the song, quotes part of her lyrics, then posted said Birkin bag on his Instagram page, alluding that he bought it for said girl and I'm going to go out there and beef with the girl. Huh? Make it make sense. Make it make sense for me. Please. Come now understand. Not understanding. And then you had the nerve, the audacity to want to go against Jada Kingdom, one of the most lyrically talented women out of Jamaica. Jada, a Virgo. Listen to me. Like, I wanted to put astrology aside, but let's bring the astrology into it, all right? Virgos are very calculated, right? An unhinged one like myself, we call that overthinking. It becomes overthinking. But Virgos are very, very slick at the mouth, very quick with it, very petty. So wanting to beef with, and then Jada of all the Virgos you want to go against? You're mad. Young woman, you are mad. You are mad. I don't know what your comeback is going to be. If you're going to even come back. Y'all forgot Shen Heng? Don't forget about that one day when she done Shensia and then deleted it because Shensia mother did. You know what?